guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shell. I just want to give you a recap of what the unit used to look like, and I'm just going to let you know we're going to jump right on head into the video instead of me doing the intro and all that. So here you can just clearly see I haven't had the wig on for a couple of days, so I just wanted to show you what it looked like. I did get shedding more than tangling. It was like strands, like whole strands, which was annoying. And also there was in the back of it, which I'm going to show in the next clip. For some reason, the clip in the back does not stay flat down into your head. I also had this problem when I had this unit in the denim blue color last year. But besides that, it was shedded and tangling. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head so we can go ahead and get started. I'm going to brush it out just to show y'all the magic that she does not take long to bounce back, honey. She still had the natural luster. I think it was better when I didn't flat iron it. I'm showing y'all that I did have to chop the ends. I didn't do a good job on one side, but I did on the other. The ends weren't that bad besides the tangling. I also going to left in here and show y'all that sometimes the strands, you're going to see me like do a twirl at the end. That happened kind of often after a while. And then I have a surprise because I am going to be adding Free Tress Equals 32-inch ponytail because I wanted to try something different. I miss having ponytails in my head. So let's just go ahead and jump into it, guys. I had to unwrap it. I did end up snagging it a little bit, but look at it. It comes with a strand that you can wrap around the ponytail. The hair was so soft, so beautiful. The luster was so pretty, and it comes with a comb for you to start in. Look, just look at it. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I can't believe they came up with this. Like, look, no shedding, beautiful ponytail, you guys. Very beautiful. Look at it. Look at that luster. Natural. They really hit the nail on the head with this one, and it kind of matches the luster of my hair. So I'm just showing y'all the before. It looks like before, and then I went on ahead and put it in fast forward mode, and I tried to slow it down as best as I can because I know there's people that actually watch because they like to see me do my baby hairs. So I tried my best to slow it down for you guys, and you should already know it's plucking, cutting, pressing, and swooping into your desired direction and how you desire to do your baby hairs. And I'm going to let y'all know now, too. Y'all going to see here that my baby hairs kind of looked nice, but I don't know why in the end result, like, they were kind of messed up on one side, but whatever. I'm just showing y'all, though, that it's not that hard to really do baby hairs, and it's also about how you desire to do them, not how I desire them. This is how I want mine. How you want yours may be different, but this is just how I do mine. And I like to put mine on all sides of my head. And then, you know, once I'm done, I spray it with some freeze spray to make sure it's in hold. I really didn't do it with this one, though, because I knew there was another style I wanted to do with this unit. So I didn't even lay this unit down. I just laid the baby hairs down just for the styling of this unit. And voila, here is the end result that I had came up with. And then I'm just going to add some powder, you know, to make the part blend a little better, which it already blends with my skin well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and brush it out. And as you can see, natural. Okay, people thought this was a frontal, guys. But I'm going to go ahead and push it back for the ponytail. And make sure you tuck it behind your ears. I add a small rubber band. And that's what it looks like from the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the ponytail on. It has the comb. I stuck it in and then just wrap it around. That's just that easy. I'm trying to find the little piece that you wrap around the ponytail. Once I do, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay. It was just so easy as 1, 2, 3 to put this ponytail on, you guys. Like, and I'm just going to show y'all, this is it. I am very in love with it. Like, very in love with it. Look at it, guys. Yes, shake and go. Really a shake and go. Really feeling myself. Like, I just been tweaking ponytails and black hair, and I'm glad I was able to do it. And we're just going to add some clips, you know, for a little flair, you know, a little 1, 2, 3, bam, thank you, ma'am. And it just adds to the hairstyle, guys, like, which I really love. I love the clip hairstyle with this hair anyway, especially with the natural hairline. And add the earrings, and look at that. All right, so I came in my bathroom so y'all can actually see how long she is. And I don't want to turn to the back because the little cheeks is out. Okay. So I don't ever want to do the other hairstyle now because I'm in love with this one. So let's just get into this. Like, are we seeing what I'm seeing? I can't keep my hands out of it. Y'all just don't know. Like, I haven't had a ponytail in so long. Like, I miss it. It seems like you take your hair for granted when you got it. Like, now that I don't got it, there's just so much I want to do and I can't do. Like, my girl Shannon would say, this is a bop. Shannon, this is a bop. This is a bop. Cat, this is the bop. Like, I can't even remember who I seen do one of these, but it was like a while back. Trendy K. She did like 3 of them in one. One thing I will say, wrap is loosening, but I didn't pin it, so we're not going to take that away from this because this is still a bop. And look how easy. What was this at years ago? Like, the texture is on point. The luster is on point. This is just on point. It's not heavy, but it's not light either as far as weight. But I do have the wig pulled into a ponytail, so that could be it too. So this is not the finished look. This look I did in the wig before. I'm going to insert clips. So I want to try it again now that I got an official ponytail. Hopefully it turns out right, and then you guys vote on which style you like the best. Alright, here I go talking again, but you guys, so I just shift the wig over to the left side because I like my bangs and stuff on the right. And this unit I actually do lay down because I wanted it to stick. So, you know, I'll do the Gas to Be gel, the freeze spray, fan it, and then I lay it down, and then voila, it sticks. So then I'm going to proceed to do a baby hair. I didn't decide to do a whole baby hair since I was doing a swoop, and there was kind of a line of demarcation. Well, I could have actually just added powder, but I just wanted to do a baby hair, just to be honest. And I had to take a little bit out from the other side, and then I had to actually pluck it and cut it to my liking before I even did it. So that's what you basically just see me doing, is plucking, trying to get it as thin as I possibly can, but as natural as I can, and swooping it with the mousse or wrapping foam, whatever you use. I actually use that first for the people that don't know, and then I use a gel or a freeze spray to make it stick, because I feel as though with the mousse it's better to manipulate it. And once I get it manipulated, then I go ahead and start on the side. I decided to just leave my real hair out and then do my own sideburn with my hair. And then for the swoop, guys, I noticed that if you just pull majority of the hair back first and then keep a small section out, it makes the swoop lay so much better. So that's what I did. And then I wrapped the whole hair into a big rubber band, and then with the little section that I put out, I use a small rubber band, and I do it loosely so I'm able to brush and manipulate the swoop to how I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the ponytail again, and you know, it's just stick the comb in and then wrap it around, and wrap it around as tightly as you can, and then voila. And here is the end result, you guys. Look at her. Ha! Bomb as hell, ain't she? Look at it from the side, bow from the other side. And here's my surprise. I added clips to the ponytail and I braided it. Yes, look at it. Pretty. Oh, I just love it. Guys, I swear I am giving y'all looks, okay? Like, y'all cannot say that I am coming through for y'all. Yes, feeling myself. Shorty. Look at it. Just a close-up. And I just want to let y'all know, yeah, the sides, those are mine, okay? Even though I did the big chop. And the sideburns, those are mine. That baby hair, that is actually the wig, which you can't even really tell. And the other sideburn is mine. And my daughter thought this was a weave, you guys, or a wig. And I was like, no. She was like, so you got a new wig? And I'm like, no. She was just so surprised. Like, and I'm so proud of myself. I was inspired by Lala for the ponytail. I was like, I had to do it. But I just want to say I love you guys. I thank you for supporting and subscribing to me. I love how y'all rock with me. And until next time, deuces.